we are making a delicious poison apple punch that is perfect for all your Halloween parties. My name is Aliena and welcome to my garden. So I will preface, this is not poisonous at all, but it is quite tasty. So the first thing we are going to add to our pitcher is some freshly squeezed apple juice. I have about 3.5 cups, 3 with a little bit of foam. You can also use store-bought, but I find using freshly squeezed gives such a nice flavor to the drink. Next, for a little acidity, I'm adding in 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. Next, I'm going to add in some simple syrup to just add a bit of sweetness to our drink. And I like to add about 1/2 cup of simple syrup. You can buy this at the store or you can make it. It's so easy to make. All you need to do is take 1 cup of water to 1 cup of sugar and you let it simmer for about 10 minutes until the sugar has completely dissolved. And then let it cool to room temperature and you have homemade simple syrup. And this is great to just keep in your house because you can use it for really any cocktail. And now we'll add in our 1/2 cup. Next, I'm going to add in 1 cup of my sour apple liqueur. Next, you do need your booze for your cocktail. So we are adding in 2 cups of just vodka. As always, you can add or subtract the alcohol level to your liking, but I feel like 2 cups is kind of the perfect amount. Now, if you're not going to be serving your punch till later, I would say stop, pop this in your fridge. But if you are going to be serving it right away, you can add in your champagne. And I like to add in 2 bottles of champagne because it also stretches your drink so that more people can have some. Ooh. And look at that bubble up. That looks so good. It does actually look like a little poisonous cauldron right now. And now this is optional, but I like to add some just peeled apples to my punch. You can always do a dunking for apples moment if you feel like it. Also, can anyone guess what my costume is? Now, if you are going to be serving this right away and you want it chilled, you can add in some ice. But because it is Halloween, I actually have these super fun skull molds, so that when I take my ice cubes out, they look like perfect skulls. I don't know if you can see it from over there, but they're so cute. And now I am just going to add these to my punch bowl. And now it is my favorite time of any video. It is getting to try our cocktail. Oh, that is so good. If you love a tartar, less sweet drink, you will love this because you really taste that sourness from the apples coming through. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a safe and happy Halloween. Cheers! Oh, hello. Are you here for a drink? Well, here you go. Enjoy.